This is a proper way to clean your baseboards thoroughly. First, move furniture away from the walls so that you have access all around the room. Use a broom to knock off the dust and loose debris. Take an empty spray bottle and fill it with water and dish soap. For really dirty baseboards, you can also add a bit of vinegar. Use this spray to wet down the area you're going to clean. Next, take a strong bristled brush, such as a tile grout brush, and vigorously scrub the wet baseboards all around the room. Follow up the brush by scrubbing with magic erasers. This will easily remove the tougher scuffs and stains. And now it's time to dry. Use paper towel to dry the overspray on the floor. Use microfiber cloth to dry and polish the baseboards. Finally, touch up paint to cover dirt areas that are too difficult to clean. And that's how it's done.